I am happy to show you the update. Now you can see the Solana I bought yesterday with 100 USDT is now 105 USDT. So which means with $100 investment within a day, it's not even up to 24 hours. If I watch the video, I will know the hour difference there. I have earned $5 now. Let's now assume that I put like $200 yesterday instead of $100, which means today now I will make like $10. Let's assume like I invested like $500 on this coin, which means by this morning now I'm a big boy. Hello there viewers all around the world, and wherever you are watching this video from, it's still your boy Sheyi Dairo. In today's video, I want to show you one secret of making money every day through crypto trading. I know from TikTok or other social media, you have been seeing some people telling you buy this coin, sell this coin, buy this coin, hold this coin, invest on this coin, but you are always confused, like how do they manage to know the right coin to buy, the right coin to hold, the right coin to invest on, and when to sell? Many may not tell you this secret, of course, but I am here to reveal one out of many for you. So all you have to do now is to come closer. Come, let me give you one secret from this video today. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And that is not all. Make sure you turn up the notification bell. You have any question, you have a concern, or you want to appreciate me for this content, drop it for me in the comment section. And make sure you share this video because many people also will benefit from this. So I want to show you one site. Will I call it a site? Okay, I want to show you a tool that will actually help you to know the right coin to quickly invest on. Even right now, as we are talking, you will know when to buy, you will know the right coin to invest on, and you will know when you should sell it and make your profits. Like I told you, I have many. Now, this is a website where you can utilize to make money. This is CoinEx, and here is the homepage. If you are using your mobile phone, just put it there, CoinEx.com. If you are using your mobile phone to access this is the homepage interface. At the edge, upper edge like this, up like this, you will see menu bar there. Probably it's like 3 lines, I think. Now click on it, just the edge like this, click on it. I don't know how you are viewing it, maybe edge you are seeing is this, just the right side, edge like this, upper edge right side. Do I get it? Forgive my English, that's how I know how to describe it. Just click on the menu bar, and when you click on the menu bar, you see drop down menu. You see cryptocurrencies, exchanges, tools, blog, login, languages. Now click on cryptocurrencies, then look down, you will see trending coins. Now click on trending coins. These are the coins we want to use to make money, buy, hold, and sell. How will you now know the right coin to buy such that you can make profit? Okay, first thing to note is these are name of the coins, price, within an hour, percentage, 24 hours, and so on. First thing to glance through is green colors. You will see red colors and green colors. Let's target green colors. Now, the first thing you have to look for now is this 1 hour percentage first, which means no matter the coin we are looking for, we are targeting this 1 hour percentage. That is the first thing. I hope you are taking note of it. The second thing is color. You are seeing green color and you see red colors. We want to focus on green colors. If you check through now, you see this Solana. I'm going to use this Solana as a sample. If you look through now, you see green. And this 1 hour percentage here now is green. Next thing to do is to come here. If you are using your mobile phone, just, you see, sliding, or please, if you know the right English for that, drop it for me in the comment section. Is this sliding or what? Now, when you slide to the, is it right or left? Okay, you should see this one here. That is market cap. So when you get to this market cap, you will see this blue 3 parallel lines here. Now click on it. When you click on it, you will see these 2 options. One is Solana price prediction. The second one is convert SOL to USD. The name of the coin here is Solana, SOL. Okay, so market cap is this, and when you click on this 3 parallel blue lines, this will come up 2 options. Now click on this first one here, which is Solana price prediction. Click on it. Good. Now from here you can see that it's even green color you are seeing here, 3.43%. $227.7. It's green. At times you will click it, you see red. That red is a signal for you to set back. So now we are seeing green, which is giving us go ahead with this. So now let's scroll down. When scrolling down, you will still see this interface, which is some with green and you see red, green, red. Most times you will see 50-50 percentage. If you see 50-50 percentage, go back. It's not advisable to invest on such coin. That is 50-50, and we are not ready to risk our money. Now with this, now look at this. This is bullish and bearish. Bullish is green color, while bearish is red color. Bullish is 72%, while bearish is what? 28%. Omo, this is profit, massive. Okay, let's go further. Now keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down. This one I've given us go ahead. If you are saying something like 50-50 percentage, even if the bullish is like 50 something percentage to this one, it's still not advisable to go further from here. But saying something like 60 percentage upward, and here we are seeing 72%. Oh boy. So let's scroll down, go further, keep scrolling till when you will see this here, something that tell you like click to see buy sell signals. Now click on it. Good. What you are seeing here is strong buy, which means look at this. By default you are seeing 1 day, and the signal given us here is what? Strong buy, which means if you can hold this coin, you buy this coin, you hold it for 1 day, there is guarantee there that if you sell it after 1 day, you make money, you make profits. Now that is not enough to convince us. Let's go for short time frame. 15 minutes, that's the next thing here. Still strong buy. Okay, let me put on 5 minutes. 5 minutes, still strong buy. God, let me put it 1 minute. 1 minute is buy. Okay, which means from 5 minutes, 15 minutes above, strong buy. Now let me go and buy this Solana. So this is spot trading interface. You can use any exchange. Just go to spot trading interface, go and buy that coin. So the coin is Solana, which is SOL. So this is my trading pair. Of course, I click here now. I will type SOL. So this is SOL USDT trading pair. I will click on it. So the value now USDT, I will use my USDT to buy Solana. So I'll buy 50 USDT worth of it, or let me put 100. So my capital for this is 100 USDT, right? So I click on buy, then I click on confirm. So here now I scroll down, let me click on order history. So as you can see from here now, look at the Solana I just bought with $100. Look at it. So amount is 0.44462229. Now the $100 have increased to 100.20 just within few seconds now. So I will not sell it now. I want to wait for like 15 more minutes, 5 more minutes or such, then I will sell it. But with this, I can even wait for a good 1 day before I sell it. But I'll be checking. If I see that I've gotten some reasonable profits, I can sell it. Now that is one strategy. Let's go further. I still want to show you more thing. Let's still look for another coin we can invest on and resell and make our profits. Let's say this one, because I refresh it so as to know updates. So I click on this one again. This is DAI, right? And 1 hour percentage is 0.02. So let me come to this place as usual. I click here, then click on this one. Now from here, if you notice, this is not green, but let's see, that's not the end. Now look at it now, 50% bullish and 50% bearish, which is not advisable to invest in such coin now. So let's scroll further. Let me click on click to see buy and sell signal. You see, are you seeing now? Look at it. For 1 day, strong sell. You cannot buy it now. Red. I hope you are learning. Let's go for 15 minutes. You see, sell. 5 minutes, 1 minute. So let's go and look for another coin. If you are using your mobile browser, just click on back button just one time. I think so you're able to land here again. So let's look for another one. Don't forget the rule, 1 hour percentage. Then let's look for the green. I'm seeing Pumo Fund, which is pump, right? So let me check this one. Look at this one now, it's green. So let's go. Now look at it. Bullish is 62%, while bearish is 38%. I think you are learning that this is green light for us to go further. It's never the conclusion, but at least we can go further to check the signal here. Now click to see buy sell signal. Click it. Oh my God, look at this one too. One day, if you buy this coin, hold it for a day, that is strong buy. You can sell it and make profit. Let's check 15 minutes. Oh, it's not good. 15 minutes sell, 5 minutes sell, 1 minute sell, 1 minute neutral. If you see something like this, I will not encourage you or advise you to invest in such coin because it's not reliable. The strong buy is not consistent. If you check 15, 5, 1 minutes. Let's look for another one. Please, I beg you, make sure you like this video because we actually help this video to rank well. Since you don't have any money to give me for sharing this valuable opportunity, I think you shouldn't hesitate to comment, share this video, give me a like and subscribe. Let me check this one. Starbucks token. Oh, this is was 43%. That is bullish is 43%, while bearish is 57%. So let's go back. Let's check the Saros. Oh, good. Now let's go further. Scroll down. 44.56 is bad. You see now. First, 1 day is sell, 15 minutes the same thing. 15 minutes is buy, 5 minutes buy, 1 minute buy. Well, this is trickish. If you invest in a coin like this, that means you are very close to danger. There is no strong buy. You don't see strong buy, don't invest in it. Now coming back to the Solana I bought just to check again. Look at this. Are you seeing it now? It has gotten to 100.81. Everything we're talking about is not even up to 5 minutes. So I will be watching it. That's just the strategy. How to hold coin, buy and sell. This is another strategy. So within today now, I'll be studying it. If I see that I'm making some reasonable profits, then I will sell it. Hello guys, this is quick cut and join video. I want to show you the result of the investment I did yesterday. I know I hold a coin. I invested with 100 USDT. I bought Solana, right? But this morning I just remembered, like, I invested on a coin and I should see the result. Maybe I can quickly make a video around it. Join it with the last video so that it can be meaningful for hustlers watching this video. So I am happy to show you the update. Now you can see the Solana I bought yesterday with 100 USDT is now 105 USDT. So which means with $100 investment within a day, it's not even up to 24 hours. If I watch the video, I will know the hour difference there. I have earned $5 now. Let's now assume that I put like $200 yesterday instead of $100, which means today now I will make like $10. Let's assume like I invested like $500 on this coin, which means by this morning now I'm a big boy. So let me go and sell it now. Let me go back to sports, then Solana, right? Solana USDT. Now let's put the whole value of Solana I bought yesterday. Let me put it there. Now 100%. Now look at the profit. This is 105.6 USDT. So I will put this market, put it market, then let me put everything good. Please don't mistake, if I put it on limit, you're able to see the value of profit. All right, so I want to put it market so that I can sell it right now. Now everything, then click on sell, then click on confirm. That's all. So which means, let's now assume like I invested in different coin yesterday. By today now I should be big boy. Even if I owe some people some money, I should be able to sort out those stores this morning. So let's continue to how the video flows. I just come to show you the results as cut and join. Is it cut and join or cut to join? As cut and join video to this. So love you guys, stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Continue with the flow of the video. If you want to see how to trade on sports and make money, I have a special video on that. Check the pinned comments. I will put those videos there which you need to go and watch to know how to make money to buy and sell using sports trading. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, give me a like on this video, drop your comment. You have questions, drop it for me. You want to connect with me, check the pinned comment. You will see link to connect with me on WhatsApp. And do you want to check out my courses? That is still very simple. Check the pinned comment. You will see my course or link to also check my courses so that you can enroll for it. You want to learn how to be an expert in content creation, YouTube adverts, Facebook advert, Instagram advert, TikTok advert, name it. Anything related to digital marketing, I have course on that. And anything related to importation, exportation business, I have course on that. You can enroll for my course. So till next time, guys, I love you. See you guys in my next videos.